You've been in there. You're trading shots, you're moving, but you feel like you're always one step behind. You're reacting instead of controlling. That feeling ends today. There is a foundational technique that flips the switch from fighter to predator. It's not a punch, it's not a combo, it's the engine that creates every opportunity and shuts down every attack. This is where 90% of fighters live and die, the center line. Think of it as a railroad track. As long as you and your opponent are both standing on it, all attacks are head-on collisions. It's a 50-50 battle of speed and power. The tool you use to do this is the pivot. It's the single most important technique in boxing. A perfect pivot takes you out of the line of fire and simultaneously puts you in the perfect position to counterattack an exposed opponent. It's defense and offense in one single fluid motion. Step 1. The drive. All the power comes from the ball of your lead foot. I want you to imagine you're squishing a bug underneath it. Drive into the floor and rotate. Step 2. The turn. Your foot doesn't move alone. As you drive and rotate your foot, your hips and shoulders must follow. The entire body turns as one solid unit. The foot leads, the body follows. Drill this. Put a piece of tape on the floor. Practice pivoting around it, 45 to 90 degrees in both directions. Make it so smooth, so fast, it becomes an unconscious reaction. This is the amateur position, trapped on the center line. Your only option is to punch through the target's guard. Now watch. One pivot. You are now off the line of attack, and you have a clean, undefended path to the body or the head. This is dominance. Stop trading punches and start dictating the fight. That one technique is the key. Go practice it until it's as natural as breathing. If you want more no BS techniques that deliver real dominance, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you want to master next. Train smart, stay ready.